Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So far in this HTML series, we've learned what HTML elements are, what empty HTML elements are, and why we should never skip closing tags. Now it's time to start learning the different HTML elements one by one. We'll begin with one of the most commonly used elements, that is HTML headings. Okay, let's get started. What are HTML headings? So, HTML headings are used to give titles and subtitles to the content on a web page. Just like a book has a main title and chapter titles, a web page also needs headings to organize information and make it easier to read, right? So, HTML provides six heading tags starting from H1 to H6. Let's see them. So H1 to H6. So these are the six heading tags. Let's see one by one. H1, this is the heading 1. H2, this is the heading 2. H3, heading 3. We have H4, just heading 4. We have H5, heading 5. H6, heading 6. So H1 is the largest and most important heading, okay? So as the number increases from H2 to H6, the headings become smaller and represent lower level of importance, okay? Let's see the output using these headings. So when we run this code in the browser, you'll notice that every heading is displayed with a different size, okay? Let's write a code for that. We have a body, so we'll be closing it here. Close the body tag, close the HTML tag. So now we'll save this file. Click on File, Save as example3.html. Click on Save. So we'll go to the folder where all files are saved. So this is our file. Double click on this file. So as you can see, we have 6 heading that is displayed from H1 to H6. So when we run this code in the browser, you notice that every heading is displayed, with a different size. Okay. Um, from H1 being the largest to H6 being the smallest. So let's understand this with a simple example. So imagine you're creating a web page about travel. Okay, I'll just show you how to do that. So H1 travel guide, H2 places to visit, H3 beaches, H2 mountains, H3 packing essentials. Okay, let's run this code or first save it. So this is how it looks. So here, travel guide, right, is the main title. So we use H1. Or places to visit and travel trips are major sections. So we use H2. Beaches, mountains, and packing essentials are subtopics. So we use H3. Okay. So this creates a clear structure that is easy for the users to read and understand. Okay. So the best practice is there's one important tip. Use only one H1 on a web page because it represents the main title. Then use H2, H3, and the other heading tags in order to organize your content. Don't choose a heading tag just because you like its size. Choose it based on the importance of the content. Okay, so today we'll learn that HTML headings are used for titles and subtitles. HTML provides 6 heading tags, H1 to H6. So H1 is the most important and largest heading. H6 is the smallest and least important heading. Using headings to organize your web page in a logical way. So that's all for this video. In the next session, we'll continue learning more HTML elements step by step. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.